Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create an offer in your WarriorPlus account. So after creating products, you are able to create an offer in your WarriorPlus account. So from the vendor section, just go to the offer section. From here, click on new offer. Now you need to put here the details of your offer, like you need to put here your offer title. You can upload your offer image, so this is optional, and you need to put here the descriptions of your offer. You need to describe the offer here, and then you need to select the category from here. After that, you can put the keywords here. From the availability section, you can make your offer to be displayed in the public marketplace or affiliate offers page. So for that, you need to turn the public section on. After that, from the deal of the day eligible section, if you want to allow WarriorPlus to promote your offer as deal of the day, you can turn this on. From the sales page setup, you need to enter your offer's main sales page URL here, and from the pre-launch section, you need to select the pre-launch type. This is optional, and after putting all the details there, you can just click on create, and this is how you can create the offer.